back, guys. So today I'm here with Sunber hair. Alright, says Dare to Shine. I love their beautiful yellow packaging. So of course, you know, the drawstring bag, and then which is perfect for storage, and then there's a box with everything inside. I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into. I have this goodie bag, a drawstring bag, and then there's a few more stuff on the inside. So I got a pair of HD wig caps, a branded Sunber elastic band, and then inside the bag I have basically a duplicate. So I have two more HD wig caps, another headband, well, elastic band, and I love this set of press-ons. This is so cute. So it's like purple tips. That's really cute. I like that. So that's everything for the goodies. Now let's get into the wig of the day. This is today's wig. I don't know if you guys, but this color is so trending right now. This is like Sunber's reddish brown yaki straight 7x5 bye knots pre-cut lace closure. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It's pre-cut. You know, it's really nice. And as I said, it's a bye knot, so you know the lace portion looks way more realistic than a lot of other wigs. I love this color. This color is screaming summer. I don't know about you, but this is definitely screaming summer. It is 24 inches long, and it's a yaki straight texture. As I said, I know this is gonna be so good already. Like, I just know it. Now, on the inside of the wig looks like this. As I said, 7x5, so you have a lot of space to work with. You can get a nice deep parting from this type of space, and you can do both center part, side part. You could style it, like do braids and stuff. So I absolutely love that. And then there's also adjustable straps in the back, which I usually crisscross them to have more security. And then inside of the package, I also got this extra adjustable elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it on the inside. Now, if you observe closely, they did make sure to curve the ear portion of the cap. So this way your ears, you don't have to fight with the wig cap on your ears for it to be comfortable, because it has a cutout that accommodates the shape of your ear, so that makes it very comfortable when wearing the wig. And then I also got these tapes inside the wig bag, which it basically says bye knots, but you could use these if you want to put them on the front of your lace for more security. That's just if you want that for more security, but ultimately it's glueless. All right, so it's a nice glueless cap construction, and it's only one comb in the back, and this non-slip strip is in the cap. So that is how the construction is. And it's very full. It feels very good, feels very strong, not getting any shedding so far. So I absolutely love that. I got like what, one strand? Yep, like one strand. So I'm so ready to go ahead and do this very quick and easy install. Let's go. This is, I always love this color. It is so gorgeous. I don't know if you can see, but there is a tiny bit of strip where there's absolutely no like hair on it, so I'm gonna cut that away to minimize that cast. That is looking so good. Like, let me get up close. That looks so good. All I'm gonna do to further blend that down is take some of my face powder and just go over that area with my powder, and then I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and flat iron to further refine the look of this, and that's gonna be it. It's so easy. So that's how the lace is looking. Now I'm gonna take my flyaway tamer and I'm just gonna, you know, make sure that this top is laying really flat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just run through this with my flat iron. It looks so flawless, like beautiful. So I'm just gonna speed through this portion. This is how the wig is looking. Look at that. Yeah, just a nice thorough run through with my flat iron, and it's butter. Oh, and the density, it's so full. So full. It's not stringy. It's full right to the ends. I love it. 24 inches of goodness. It looks really, really good. And, you know, it's glueless. Glueless. It's so flat. It's gorgeous. No baby hairs, no swoops needed. Like, I know this era that the whole wig market is going through. I know you guys are loving it. Maybe I feel like there's a lot of people who weren't into wigs that are getting more into wigs now just because of simple stuff like this. The fact that they're making so much wigs. They're making wigs be way easier for anybody to wear and install on their own because they're so beginner friendly. Like, I know a lot of in the past people used to be pressured like, I can't wear these wigs because I can't do the edges and I can't do, you know. No, you don't have to. You don't have to. The laces are so upgraded, you know. The hair quality is so good, you know. It comes pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-everything for you, just like this one. And that is what people love, and I'm here to give you guys another, you know, option when you go ahead and, you know, you're like, wonder which wig I need to get next. I think the color is so bomb. As I said, I feel like it's perfect for summer, and Sunber nailed this. They did a very minimal shedding. That's pretty much it. That's it for today's wig install. Very quick, so easy. I absolutely love it. If you found this video informative, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. If you want this wig for yourself, the direct link to it is in my description box. If there are any discount code available or a sale going on, that will be listed down below as well. All the specifications on this wig will be listed, so please check my description box as usual to see what the details are. That's it for today's wig look, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wig up on yourself. Bye.